Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a friend mail. I've already unboxed everything just because the hubby was helping me unbox everything yesterday, so we went ahead and unboxed stuff. But it's pretty big and I'm pretty excited, and I cannot believe that the sweet Maria once again sent me all this stuff. I just can't. She is so sweet. I just cannot. Here comes my big boy. He's coming up on the steps. My big boy. And I do have a pie. I mean, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, see the steam coming off that baby. Can't drink that yet. Alright, but let's get into what she got me. And if you've not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button down below. I do have a pop-up giveaway going. You do have to be subscribed, and I will link that giveaway video in the description box, because you do have to follow the Gleam link that's down there in that description box. Alright, let's get into it, because I still got to do my face while we're doing the face. Everything pretty much she sent we're going to use today. This is a full bottle. I used it last night of Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I used to use this back in the day when I was working at Belk's a long time ago. Almost all I used was Clinique and Estee Lauder, because that's what Belk's sold, and I got it at a discount. We earned like rewards dollars, basically, because if you got so many credit applications in, you would get like play dollars, and I would buy makeup with it. So I did used to use this back in the day. I really liked it. We're going to try it again. My skin has changed over the years. It's not as oily as it used to be, so we're going to give that a shot and see how it goes. And speaking of Lancome, oh yeah, Lancome, Estee Lauder, and Clinique, those were the ones that were sold at my Belk's. This is the Lancome Le Base Pro, and it looks like a primer, an oil-free perfecting makeup primer smoothing effect. We're going to give that a shot today too. And she sent, did I drop anything? No, I just knocked something over. My vanity top is a wreck right now. The Smashbox X-Rated Mascara Volumizer. She sent a little one of those, and I'm going to tuck it in one of my little baskets. And an Anastasia Brow Wiz. And I don't know, I've not opened this. I'll say I have no idea. Oh my gosh, look how cute. It's teeny tiny. It's teeny tiny. It's taupe, so that would definitely work for me. Alright, I'm gonna put it back down in its box right now. Put you in a little basket. And I'm kind of working out from smallest to biggest now. Is there anything under there? No. She sent me another Laura Geller highlighter. This one is in Gilded Honey. She sent me the iridescent one, and I think it's down here in my use-up drawer. Yes. The Diamond Dust. So this is the first one she sent, the Diamond Dust. Oh my gosh, guys. And I don't know if you can see the iridescence in that, but it is gorgeous. And now she has sent me the Gilded Honey. And it doesn't look like she's even touched that. So I think she's not a big highlighter person, I think. I'm not sure, but she has sent me both of those, and I love them. The Wet n Wild, this is not a basic peach. I do love Wet n Wild shadows. I don't have any of these new configurations because I already had a bunch of the original configurations, but I think this was a new one that they came out with. So definitely we'll be using that. You know, those peach shades are my jam. And she sent me a little chocolate bar. Oh, I showed this to my husband. I was like, look at the little chocolate bar. And this is Makeup Revolution Bronze and Glow. I'm trying to get through this fast because we still got to do my face. And I don't know, I might break this down into 2 videos. And there's, it's a bronzer and a highlighter. Look how pretty. And a full-size mirror. Yeah, we may just break this down into 2 videos, and I'll slow down. Alright. This is the Femme Rosa, and I don't know, Carucci in a ColourPop, is that right? The Her Face Palette. Again, this is Lassie, Mistress, and Dame. It is a highlight, blush, and bronzer, and it looks like she touched the bronzer and maybe touched, just barely, see it right there, just barely touched the highlighter. Other than that, nope. This one I probably will not touch. It will just go out for display, and I will not touch it. I'm sorry, Maria, but this one is just, I can't even believe this. It's Natasha Denona. Oh my gosh, when I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh. It is the lip color palette number 5, and I did open it and look at the colors, but I didn't touch anything in the palette again. Oh my gosh. I can't even. I mean, I've never owned anything from Natasha Denona. I probably will never be. Well, I don't want to say that because that is putting that energy out into the universe. So, at this point in my life, I cannot buy Natasha Denona. But hopefully sometime in my future, I will be able to purchase on my own Natasha Denona. But that I almost, I did squeal with joy when I opened that one up. Seriously, I did. Here's another one I squeal with joy because this is also another brand that's a brand I don't really own anything. I own 2 of the mini lippies that came in like a little box set at Ulta, and you got it for like $17. This is the NARS Narcissist, and it is the Wanted palette. And you know these shades are right up my alley. Still got the little film inside. She touched 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Well, looks like she might have swatched the mattes mostly and left everything else alone. But it is like a finger swatch. Can't even, I don't even know. I've never heard of this brand, this palette. Again, once I get my stuff together and I get my craft room, which may be next year, by the way it's looking, I'm just too tired when I get home to even fool with it. Persona Identity palette. But look, guys, you know I love the Eiffel Tower. Back there it is. And there she is, just relaxing and chilling out in, in Paris. And then you open it up. And again, kind of peachy, neutral shades. These are my shades, people. So, and last but not least, I had saw these. I'd seen some YouTube videos on these, and this is the BH Cosmetics Glam Free. Is that it? Glam Reflection. Duh, Shannon. As you can see, my coffee is still in my cup. And again, very rosy, kind of. Oh, look at this one. I don't know what I want to use today. I really don't. So, I'm going to go ahead and cut this video really short right here. We're almost at 10 minutes. And am I forgetting anything that she sent? I'm making sure I'm not forgetting anything because I am I just can't even talk. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Maria. You will see these being used. You're going to see them in just a moment being used. I can't even, but that's too generous. I just can't. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Don't forget about that giveaway I have going, and I'll see you in just a moment, and we're going to get ready with some of this.